So yun guys, inaabot na tayo ng gabi. So San Pablo pa lang tayo. Oh, let's go. Ride safe po sa lahat.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything.
So ang lakas kasi ng ulan kanina at timunan to pagbilaw. So kaya inaabot tayo ng gabi. So tara, let's go. Malapit na naman tayo guys.
Without you, don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like it was running out with
So dito kasi sa San Pablo ginagawa yung kalsada guys. So, ito sa may kaliwa ko. Ang dami na rin lubak dito. Grabe. Kita nyo. Ayan, kaliwat kanan. Lubak yan dyan. Dito sa may lampas lang ng SM. So, yon. Let's go.
the light. 'Cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight go out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we
Grabe ang lubak dito sa San Pablo. Paglampas ng SM.